Hello, e-commerce enthusiasts. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS system. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: Payment Gateway for Website, a step-by-step guide. But before we get started, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Understanding payment gateways. It's a technology that allows businesses to accept online payments securely. It acts as a bridge, encrypting payment information between the customer, the merchant, and the financial institution. Choosing the right payment gateway. Consider factors like integration capabilities, security features, pricing, and additional services. Ensure it seamlessly integrates with your e-commerce platform and prioritizes security. Setting up a merchant account. This is where funds from card transactions are held before depositing into your bank account. Choose a provider that suits your business needs, considering fees and setup costs. Integrating the payment gateway with your website. Once you've selected a payment gateway and set up a merchant account, it's time to integrate the two. Most providers offer plugins or APIs for popular e-commerce platforms. Follow the instructions provided to complete the integration. Testing and security measures. After integration, conduct thorough testing. Ensure the payment process is smooth and secure. Enable encryption, tokenization, and fraud detection to protect customer data. Stay updated with security patches. High-risk merchant accounts and payment gateways. If you operate in a high-risk industry, specialized providers offer solutions. Research and partner with a payment gateway experienced in high-risk credit card processing for secure transactions. Exploring the best payment processing companies. Consider reputation, reliability, customer support, and pricing when choosing a payment processing company. Evaluate their features, fees, and integration options. Optimizing merchant services sales. To maximize revenue, optimize your merchant services sales. Provide a user-friendly checkout, offer multiple payment options, and ensure your website's performance is top-notch. Use analytics to improve the process continually. By partnering with reputable payment processing companies and optimizing your merchant services sales, you can enhance the overall payment experience for your customers and drive the success of your online business. If you're looking for reliable payment solutions for your business, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 plus companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. And as always, we appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.